it was a game changer. And then came the artificial intelligence, which has been evolving and has made really our job much easier.
So Victoria, if you had to describe the new GemIQ technology in one word, what would it be?
Intelligent. Game changer.
Crazy.
Pioneering.
The future.
It's powerful.
We are really excited to try it and to use it within our company. The technology is super great.
It captures automatically, it highlights the whole features, it saves me so much time.
I think the latest new features are phenomenal and revolutionary.
Definitely recommend it to everybody who is looking at it. Go for it.